In this video, we're going to walk through how to clean up your Outlook inbox in a simple way. This will help you free up space in your mailbox without having to delete emails from your main inbox. Let's get started. First, open Outlook on your computer. Look at the very top of the window. Click on the tab that says File. It's on the top left side of your screen. After you click on File, you'll see a menu appear. Look for the section that says Mailbox Settings. Right next to it, there will be a small button labeled Tools. Click on that button. Now, a few options will pop up. The first one you'll see is called Empty Deleted Items folder. Clicking on this will permanently remove all the emails in your Deleted Items folder. These are messages you've already deleted from your inbox, but they're still taking up space. If you no longer need any of them, this is a good place to start. You'll also see another option to clean up old items. What this does is move older messages into something called an Outlook data file. That means the emails are not deleted, but stored in a separate file on your computer. This helps your main mailbox stay smaller and more organized. Now let's focus on the Mailbox Cleanup. This tool gives you several ways to manage your mailbox and reduce its size. Go ahead and click on Mailbox Cleanup. A new window will open. At the top of this window, you'll see a button that says View Mailbox Size. Click on it. You'll now see how much space your mailbox is using, including all subfolders like Sent Items and Drafts. If your mailbox is large, you may want to find and manage older emails. You can use the Cleanup tool to search for messages older than a certain number of days or larger than a certain file size. For example, you can choose to search for all messages that are more than 6 months old. Or you can find messages that are larger than 1 megabyte. This helps you identify which emails are using the most space. You can also turn on something called Auto Archive. This feature moves older messages to a separate file on your computer automatically. That way, you won't have to manually move emails in the future. It helps keep your mailbox clean over time. If you want to go back to the Tools menu again, you can empty your Deleted Items folder once more from there. You can also view the size of that folder before deciding to delete it. Back in the Mailbox Cleanup window, you'll see another option to delete alternate versions of items. Sometimes Outlook saves different versions of the same message if there's a conflict. These versions can take up space. You can view these and delete them if you don't need them. After you've reviewed all these options and removed what you don't need, you'll notice your mailbox is cleaner and more organized. Your Outlook will also likely run a bit faster. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching,